Hi, this is Raj, Gajendra Pillai, Kana Kingdom. Today we are going to learn about English grammar. I would ask you to take out your notebook, pen, pencil to note it down. Let's start with the introduction, prefix and suffix. What is prefix? What is suffix? First of all, let us know what is affix. What is affix? Affix is the group of letters added prior to the root word or at the end of the word. It's group of letters, the word element, the group of letters added before the root word or after the root word is called as affix. A-F-F-I-X, affix. So now let's learn about the prefix and suffix. To start with, I am starting with prefix. What is prefix? The group of letters, word element, which are added before word, before the root word, to form their opposites. To form their what? To form their opposites. A group of letters added before the word to form their opposites are called as prefix. What do you understand by group of letters? The group of letters can be 1, 2 or 3 or maybe 4. A group of letters, either it's added prior. When we call prefix, what do you understand by pre? Pre means prior to the root word. When we speak about pre is prior. It is added prior to the word, the base word, to form its opposites. Prefix are the group of letters, word element, which are added before word to form their opposites are called as prefix. For example, let's see, UN plus able equals to unable. You can see on the screen, you can see on the mobile, you can see on your computers, you can see on the system where what is written UN. The word UN is used prior to able. What is able? Able is a capacity to do. Able is the capacity to do. By using the word UN, the meaning of the entire word changes. It becomes its opposite. Opposite. What is the opposite? The opposite is unable. The word I am plus possible. Possible is the thing which can be done. When I am is used prior to the word possible, it becomes impossible. A thing which can be not done. Directly it becomes opposite. The word UN is a group of letter. I am is a group of letter. So now let's talk about prefix. Write down the spellings, note down the definition of the prefix. Prefix, P-R-E-F-I-X, prefix. The group of letters which are added before word to form their opposites are called as prefix. Prefix are the words, the group of words added prior to the base word to form its opposites. Opposites. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E-S, opposites. What are the opposites? Opposites are the thing which can be done, like possible. We have added I am prior to it. We have added prior to it and made its opposite, which says now the work is impossible. To make opposites of the word, we use prefix. Write it down. It's 5 seconds. I hope you have noted down the prefix. We have spoke about affix and prefix. In prefix, it's a clear understanding where a group of letters are added before word to form its opposites. We have seen the example of impossible. I am, which is added possible. A work sure to be done, where we have used I am and made it opposite, where it says it's a work which is impossible. Such words or group of letters called as prefix. The group of letters which is added prior to the words are called as prefix. So now, how are the prefixes used? Opposites of many words are formed by adding prefixes. Right? When we say opposites of many words are formed by adding prefixes. What are the common prefixes used? The common prefixes are UN, IN, IN, IR, MIS, LON, DIS, IL. For example, when we say it's IM plus proper, that becomes improper. Exactly the opposite. Proper is a proper thing. When we use IM prior to that, what is IM? IM is a group of letters which is added prior to the word. Now the entire thing has changed. A proper became improper. How it became improper? By using prefix, the group of letters which is added prior to the word proper. Prior to the proper, we have added IM to form its opposite. It has become improper. Same way, when you say like, you say like, we have added DIS. What is this DIS? DIS is a group of letter. DIS is a group of letter which is added prior to the root word. DIS plus like becomes dislike. The thing which you like, the group of words used prior to the like is DIS. With using this DIS, it became dislike. DISLIKE. Now, going to one more set of example. That's do. What do you do? When we say do that work, do this work, how the work is done. Once we say do, prior to that, if we use the group of letter UN, becomes undo. Whatever you have done, undo it. The word says undo. The group of letter used is UN plus do. The word meaning has totally changed. Now it has become undo by using the prefix. By using prefix, what is been done? It has become totally opposite. So what are the prefixes? Once again, let's repeat. The prefixes are the group of letters used prior to the base word to form its opposite. Right? What are the common prefixes used? The common prefixes that used are UN, IM, IN, IR, MIS, NON, DIS, IL. There are many more words, but these are the commonly used words. For examples, I have written so much. You can look on the screens, write it down, write down the words, write down all the common prefixes used in a proper way so that you can understand and go through. Right? I give you 5 seconds more. In the 5 seconds, please write it down. I hope you have noted down all the examples, all the group of letters commonly used for prefix. Now, let's move ahead with more examples to know about how we form prefix, how we form the opposite words using prefix. The prefix are the group of letters added prior to the root word. For your understanding, I am repeating it again. What are prefix? Prefix are the group of letters word element which are added prior to the word, the base word, to form its opposites. Now let's see. We have understood that what are the group of letters commonly used. That's UN, IM, IN, IR, NON, DIS, the common letters used. So now let's see some of the opposite words formed by using prefix. Attractive. What would come before attractive to form its opposite? UN. Unattractive. It will become unattractive. UN is the prefix added to attractive. Attractive becomes unattractive. Now the second word is active. You can see on the screens. Active. How to make it? Its opposite by using a prefix. Which prefix would go here? It's IN. It's IN. IN is added to active, which becomes inactive. Appear. When we say appear, what is appear? Appear is coming in front. So, to form its opposite, what is the prefix used here? The prefix used is disappear. Vanish, disappear. 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 That becomes disappear. Cloth. How we form its opposite using a prefix? Here we use unclothed. 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 Available. When we say available, is available. To form its opposite, what will we use here? We will use UN. Unavailable. It becomes unavailable. Possible. When we say it's possible, we have priorly seen that how we make it. Its opposite, the word used is, group of letter used is IM. To make it its opposite. Balance. How would he lose his balance? How did he lose his balance? When we say he was imbalanced. Imbalanced means it was opposite. To use the prefix. What is the prefix to be used here? The prefix to be used is imbalance. IM. BALANCE. Imbalance. Belief. When we say belief, I believe in him. It's his belief. When you say it's his own belief. Now, to make its opposite, what is the word to be used? Disbelief. 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 Educated. When we say is educated, is literate, he has studied, is educated. To form its opposite by using prefix. What is the prefix properly used here? It's uneducated. Honest. When we say is honest. To form its opposite by using prefix. What is the word? What is the group of letter used prior to the word honest? Dishonest. DISHONEST. Sane. We call sane. What is the prefix added before it? Insane. Insane. So now let's repeat all the opposite words formed by prefix. Unattractive, inactive, disappear, unclothed, unavailable, impossible, imbalance, disbelief, uneducated, dishonest, insane. These are the opposites formed by using a prefix. So now, what are the common prefixes used? Just for your revision on the last page. What is the revision? The revision is UN, IM, IN, IR, MIS, NON, DIS, IL. So now memorize all these words. Wherever appropriate, you have to use the prefix to make it for opposites. You have to remember the words are UN, IM, IN, IR, MIS, NON, DIS, IL. These are the common prefixes used everywhere. Write it down. Write down all the opposites. So, you have noted down. Now, let's move ahead with suffixes. Suffix. What is a suffix? Now, prefix, it's a group of words, group of letters used prior to the word. Now we will see suffix. What is suffix? Suffix are the group of letters, word element added at the end of the word to form noun, adjectives or adverb are called as suffixes. The group of letters which are added at the end of the word to form noun, adjectives or adverb are called as suffixes. The group of letter, word element which are added at the end of the word to form noun, adjectives or adverb are called suffixes. Construct. For example, let's see construct plus ION becomes construction. Help plus full, that becomes helpful. The words, the group of letters used after the word to form noun, adjectives or adverbs are called as suffixes. For example, we have seen construct plus ION. ION is a suffix which is used after the root word construct. Construct became construction. Help, full. Help plus full, FUL. FUL is the suffix added to the base word help, which became helpful. So, how are the suffix used? The suffix are used at the end of the letter. At the end of the word. The group of letter is used at the end of the word. What is suffix? The group of letters which are added at the end of the word to make noun, adjectives or adverb are called as suffixes. Write it down. The definition about suffix. What are the suffix? The group of letters, word element which are added at the end of the word to form noun, adjectives or adverb are called suffixes. For example, construct plus ION, construction. Help plus FUL, full, becomes helpful. Note it down. Yeah, you note it down. Now, let's look Making noun using suffix. What is this? We form a noun. How do we form noun? We form noun from a verb by adding suffix to it. Let's see how we can form a noun from a verb by adding suffix to it. Some common suffixes are ment, ion, ation, and ing. These are the suffixes. What are the suffixes? Suffixes are the group of letters added at the end of the word to form noun, adjectives, so adverb. Now we will see we form noun from a verb. So now some common suffixes we have seen, that is ment, ion, ation, and ing. So now look at the example, like move plus ment becomes movement. Suggest plus ion, what does it become? It becomes suggestion. Star plus ation, starvation. starvation. Suffering, suffer plus ing, that's suffering. Now one important thing to note in suffix. Note that in words that end with e, all the sentences, all the words that end with e, all the words which end with e, we drop the e. Whenever there is a word where it ends with e, for using a suffix, we drop that word e, alphabet e. For example, let's see, produce. When we say produce, produce, for adding a suffix to it, what we do is we drop that e. We never use that e. That e is been dropped. We see delete, delete. In that place, we drop that last e, delete. E, the e is dropped. In produce, produce, the e is dropped. To add a suffix wherever there is word which ends with e, we drop that word e to add a suffix. It's important to be noted. The produce, produce, by removing that e and adding tion. What is this tion? tion. By adding ation. What is this ation? It's a prefix. It's a group of letters. tion, ion, ing, ment. These are the words. In produce, we have removed that e and added ion, production. Produce plus tion. What does it become? It becomes production. Delete plus ion, it becomes deletion. deletion, deletion. So we have seen the suffixes, we have seen how and what are the suffixes used: ment, ion, ation, and ing. These are the suffixes. We can form noun from a verb by adding a suffix to it. Some common suffixes are ment, ion, ation, and ing. Move plus ment, that's movement. Suggest plus ion, that is suggestion. Star plus ation, that becomes starvation. Suffer plus ing, that becomes suffering. Note that in words that end with E, we drop the alphabet E when we add a suffix to it. This is a very important thing to be noted. Write it down. Note that in words that end with E, we drop the E when we add a suffix to it. We have seen the example of produce plus tion. What is produce? Produce. That E is been dropped to add a suffix and it became production. In deletion, delete, 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 that E is dropped, and what it became? By adding tion, it became a word deletion. Deletion. Write it down and remember the suffixes used: ment, ion, ation, and ing. There are more suffixes, but these are the common suffixes in day-to-day life and in our studies. Going prior, we will learn more about the suffixes and prefixes. Now, the words which are used, please write it down. Write it down properly. Note that in words that end with E alphabet, we drop that E alphabet when we add a suffix to it. We will go and come with more examples to understand better about the topic. Give me 5 seconds, write it down. Write down the spellings, memorize it with a proper pronunciation. Give me 5 seconds, go through it. So I written it down, so I noted it. Now, as you have noted, a suffix when added, a word which ends with E, we drop the alphabet E to add a suffix to it. So now we have seen produce, the E is dropped, it becomes production. Delete, E is dropped, it becomes deletion. Reduce plus tion, that becomes E is dropped, a reduction. Improve plus ment, it stays as it is. Improvement, here it stays as it is. Improvement. Now let's see a table. We can see a table in front of you where it says verb on the extreme left. In the center we have suffixes, and in the right we are making it noun by adding the suffix from the center. Improve. What is this? Improve. This improve, we make it by using ment, improvement. Instruct, we use ion and make it instruction. We make it instruction. Improve, we add a suffix ment, make it improvement. Instruct, instruct, instruct. Ion, the suffix uses ion, it becomes instruction. Instruction, instruction. Improve becomes improvement by using ment as suffix. Improvat. Instruct, instruct. Adding ion, it becomes instruction. Instruction. Bless, BLE bless. We add ing, suffix ing is added to bless, BLESS, which becomes blessing, 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 BLESS. By using a suffix ing, it becomes blessing. Manage, 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 manage. We use MENT as the suffix, MANAGE, MENT, management. Celebrate, CELEBRATE, celebrate. Celebrate, ION, E is dropped. Celebration, CELEBRATION. Here it ended with, the word ends with E. E is dropped. Celebration, CELEBRATION. Celebration, the suffix when added, E is dropped. Spelling, spell, 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 spell. We add ing to it and it becomes spelling, SPELLING, spelling. So now what all we have seen here? In the top we have seen, in the screen you can see a reduce becomes reduction. The E is dropped. Improvement stays as it is, improvement. Now we have seen verb form, adding a suffix becomes noun. What were the words? What are the words? I have written it down. I hope by the time we are learning it, you pronounce along with me and you write it down. Simultaneously, as you come to know, speak out loudly, repeat the spellings, write it, and pay attention also. While writing, pay attention. Write improve, IMPROVE. Simultaneously, you repeat with me. Improvement, IMPROVEMENT. The suffix used is MENT. Instruct, INSTRUCT. Instruct. Instruction. Here we have added a suffix of ION. Instruction. Bless, BLESS, bless. Bless, ING. Added ing suffix to make it blessing, BLESSING. Manage, MANAGE, manage. Ment, MENT, management, MANAGEMENT, management. Celebrate, CELEBRATE, celebrate. E is dropped. Celebration, CELEBRATION, celebration. CELEBRATION, celebration. Spell, SPELL, spell. ING, suffix is added to it, it becomes spelling, SPELLING. Now, is this clear that how we are converting it into noun by adding suffix? Write it down. Give me 5 seconds. Yes. Now we have seen how to form a noun using suffix. Now we will form adjectives. Now we will form adjectives by adding suffix. The suffix words we will add and make adjectives of any word. So we can form adjectives by adding suffixes like full, F-U-L, full, L-E-S-S, less, A-B-L-E, able, O-U-S, O-U-S, right? In the previous, what we have seen making it noun by MENT, ING, ATION, ION. Now we are looking at how to form adjectives. To form adjectives, we use the suffixes like FUL, LESS, ABLE, OUS. So any word we use a suffix to make it adjectives by using FUL, by using LESS, by using ABLE or OUS. For example, let's see harm, HARM, harm plus FUL, full becomes harmful. It's an adjective. Care, CARE, care plus less, LESS. What is less? LESS is the suffix added after the root word, that is care, careless. It becomes careless. Accept, accept is the root word. We are adding a suffix, that is ABLE, able. It becomes acceptable. It becomes what? Acceptable. It's an adjective. Glory plus OUS. What does it become? It becomes glorious. GLORIOUS. Self, SELF, self plus ISH. What does it become? It becomes selfish. SELFISH, selfish. Now, rely plus able, RELY, rely plus able, ABLE. It becomes RELIABLE, reliable. So what are we forming? We are forming adjectives by using suffixes. What are the suffixes used to make adjectives? To make adjectives, the common suffixes used are FUL, LESS, ABLE, OUS. So what all we have formed adjectives? We have formed adjectives of harm, care, accept, glory, self and rely. Now starting the topic again, we can form adjectives by adding suffixes. We can form adjectives by adding suffixes like FUL, LESS, ABLE, OUS. Harm plus full becomes harmful. HARM, FUL. HARM is a base word plus FUL is harmful. HARM plus FUL, harmful. CAR plus LESS, careless. Base word care plus LESS is the suffix added, which becomes careless. Accept, ACCEPT, accept plus able, ABLE, acceptable. It becomes acceptable. Glory, GLORY plus OUS, that becomes glorious, GLORIOUS, glorious. Self plus ISH becomes selfish, SELFISH, selfish. Rely, RELY plus able, that becomes reliable. That becomes what? That becomes reliable. So now we have seen how to form adjectives by using suffix FUL, LESS, ABLE, OUS. Write it down. I hope everybody has noted down in their notebooks about prefix, suffix. Let's revise it one more time for a quick go. What is prefix? The group of letters, word element used prior to the root basic word to form its opposites are called as prefix. What are prefix? The group of letters, word element used before the base word to form its opposites are called as prefix. What are suffix? The group of letters, word element used after the word to form noun, adjectives or adverbs are called as suffix. We have seen how to convert a verb into a noun by adding suffix. We have converted adjectives. We have noted that any word which ends with E, any word which ends with E, the E is dropped when a suffix is added to it. These are all the things to be memorized. And now let's identify. It's an exercise given where I have answered it already, but you need to go through it to understand what is prefix and suffix. In the words, how we added the words which we have added, like UN, MIS, TION. These are the words. TION and other words are the suffixes UN, IL, IN, IM, IN, MIS. These are the words which are used prior to the word, that is prefix. Prior to any word, something is used to make it its opposite, that's prefix. So now the exercises which are given, let's identify prefix and suffix. Write P for prefix and S for suffix. It's written there. You can see on the monitors, you can see on your screens. On the screens you can see misbehave. It's a prefix. Miss, M-I-S, behave, like behave. It's a word. Prior to that we have used M-I-S. What is that M-I-S? M-I-S is a prefix. Unpleasant. Pleasant is the root word. The word element use UN, the group of letter UN is used to make its opposite, that's unpleasant. P. Advocate. Advocate. That's what you pronounce. Advocate. ADEQUATE. Inadvocate. When you say inadvocate is a prefix. Development. DEVELOP is a word. MENT is a suffix added. That is a suffix. Here you identified as a suffixes. Illegal. Legal is a word. LEGAL. IL is used prior, so it is a prefix used. Requirement. Require is the word. MENT is used. So this is a sentences of suffix. Action. ACT is act. ION. ION is added at the end of the word, that is suffix. Hopeless. HOPE, hope. LESS is the word used at the last, that is suffix. Love, LOVE, LY is used. It is a suffix. Unwell. The base word here says well. UN is added prior to the word to make it prefix. Connect. Connection. CONNECT is a base word. ION is used to make it suffix. a suffix is added. So the word is S. So we have identified these are the suffixes used for this word. These are the words which are used for prefix. So we have identified misbehave as P, unpleasant as P, inadequate as P, development as S, illegal as P, requirement as S, action as S, hopeless is S, lovely is S, unwell is P, connection is S. When we speak about P and S, it is P for prefix, S for suffix. So we have identified the entire chapter now. So now go through prefix and suffix one more time, write it down, memorize it properly, go through the books. There are more exercises to be added and more of the exercises will be sent to you where you have to answer it properly. So now today's chapter was prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix. Right? Prefix, a word used prior to a group of letters added prior to the word, and suffix at the end. The group of letters is added at the end. Right? Prefix, suffix. So now, happy learning. Memorize it. Go through it. It's a very interesting topic, prefix and suffix. We'll learn more about elaborately in the next classes maybe. We'll elaborate it more and make it more interesting for you to learn. Thank you. Happy study.